Hello everyone, welcome back to E-Classes of Commerce Standard 12. In our last video, we have studied about the concept of working capital and difference between gross working capital and net working capital. In this video, we are going to continue characteristics of working capital. There are 8 characteristics of working capital. Let us understand all the characteristics one by one in detail. First is short-term capital. Working capital is also known as short-term capital because it is required for a very short term but regularly. So working capital is a short term capital. Second is investment in current assets. Working capital is engaged in current assets like debtors, bills receivable, short term securities, etc. Third is liquidity. Liquidity is the main characteristic of working capital. It is the basic feature of working capital. All the current assets in which working capital is engaged or is employed that can be converted into cash easily. Working capital is engaged in raw material stock, so that can be converted into cash very easily. So liquidity is the basic feature of working capital. Fourth is less risk. As working capital keeps on circulating, so it is called circulating capital, and as it keeps on circulating, that means it converts, sometimes it is finished good and sometimes finished good converts into cash easily and quickly. As it converts into cash easily and quickly, so the element of risk is very less. Fifth is changing form. Working capital keep on changing its form continuously or constantly. As working capital is involved or employed in raw material, then that raw material is converted into semi-finished goods, and after that it is converted into finished goods. And once finished goods are prepared, they are sold either on cash basis or on credit basis. If they are sold on cash basis, then it is converted into cash, but if they are sold on credit based, then it is converted into debtors. So working capital keeps on changing its form. Next is to pay day-to-day expenses. Working capital is mainly known for to pay daily expenses or to pay day-to-day expenses. Daily expenses of business like purchasing raw material or paying wages to the laborers. So these are the daily expenses for which every business unit required working capital. Seventh point, no depreciation. As working capital keeps on revolving or circulating, depreciation is not calculated due to that. Next is requirement according to type and form of business. Working capital is required in different ratio in different business unit as it depends on its form and type of business or size of business. So it is required differently in different business unit. So here we have completed 8 characteristics of working capital. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.